before we will solve for the equation of the tangent line and the normal line to the parabola y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 2 at point 3, negative 1, let us first look at this illustration. This is a parabola, and this line, let us call it line T, which touches the parabola at this point, is called tangent line. A tangent line is a line that touches a curve such as this parabola at only one point. And this line, let us call it line N, which is the perpendicular to the tangent line, is called normal line. And this point, which is the point where the tangent line touches the curve or the parabola, is called point of tangency. Example, find the equation of the tangent line to the parabola y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 2 at point 3, negative 1. 3 is the x coordinate and negative 1 is the y coordinate of the point. Step number 1. Find the derivative of y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 2. The derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 2x minus 4. Step number 2. Find the slope of the tangent line at x is equal to 3. The slope of the tangent line is usually represented by m. So, slope m is equal to the derivative 2x minus 4. Substitute 3 for x. So this is now m is equal to 2 times 3 minus 4. M is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 minus 4 is 2. So the slope is equal to 2. Step number 3. Find the equation of the tangent line using the point-slope form. The point-slope form is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. We are solving for the equation of the tangent line to the parabola y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 2 at point 3, negative 1, where 3 is the x-coordinate and negative 1 is the y-coordinate of the point. In step 2, we found out that the slope is equal to 2. Substitute negative 1 for y sub 1. And then substitute 2 for m or for the slope. Substitute 3 for x sub 1. And then simplify. This is now negative, negative. This becomes positive 1. So we have y plus 1. This is the 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So this is equal to 2x minus 6. Transpose positive 1 to the other side. Change its sign from positive to negative. So we have now y is equal to 2x minus 6 minus 1. This is now equal to y is equal to 2x minus 7. This is the equation of the tangent line. Step number 4. Find the slope of the normal line. The slope of the normal line is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line. So the slope of the normal line is equal to negative 1 over m. In step 2, we found out that the slope is equal to 2. Substitute 2 for m. This is now equal to negative 1 over 2 or negative 1 divided by 2. Step number 5. Find the equation of the normal line. To find the equation of the normal line, we are going to use the point slope form y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. We are solving for the equation of the normal line to the parabola y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 2 at point 3, negative 1, where 3 is the x coordinate and negative 1 is the y coordinate of the point. Substitute negative 1 for y sub 1. And then substitute negative 1 over 2 for m, or for the slope. And then substitute 3 for x sub 1. This is now equal to y plus 1 is equal to negative 1 over 2 times the quantity x minus 3. It is understood this is the y plus 1 over 1. Cross multiply. 2 times the quantity y plus 1 is equal to negative 1 times the quantity x minus 3. This is now equal to 2 times y is 2y, and then 2 times positive 1 is positive 2. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. Transpose positive 2 to the other side. Change its sign from positive to negative. So we have now 2y is equal to negative x plus 3 minus 2. This is now equal to 2y is equal to negative x plus 1. Divide both sides by 2. Y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2. This is the equation of the normal line. Thank you very much for watching.